Confluence is a collaboration software developed by Atlassian that enables teams to create, organize, and share knowledge through wikis, documents, and discussions. It is primarily used for internal team communication and knowledge management. To make money online with Confluence in 2024, you can follow these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Learn Confluence. Familiarize yourself with the software by using it for your personal projects or tasks. This will help you understand its features and functionalities better. 2. Build a portfolio. Create a showcase of your work on platforms like GitHub, CodePen, or personal websites. This will help potential clients assess your skills and expertise in using Confluence. 3. Offer freelance services. Register on popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Create a compelling profile highlighting your Confluence skills and start bidding on relevant projects. 4. Specialize in a niche. Identify a specific industry or sector where Confluence can be highly beneficial, such as project management, software development, or marketing. Focus on mastering the tools and techniques required for that niche. 5. Create online courses or tutorials. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating video courses, blog posts, or tutorials on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or YouTube. Monetize your content by charging for access or using ads. 6. Develop Confluence add-ons or plugins. If you have programming skills, you can create custom add-ons or plugins for Confluence that cater to specific needs. Publish them on the Atlassian marketplace and earn a commission for each sale. 7. Offer consulting services. Utilize your expertise in Confluence to provide consulting services to businesses and organizations looking to implement or optimize their Confluence setup. 8. Host webinars or workshops. Organize online sessions where you can teach others how to use Confluence effectively, charge a fee for attending these sessions, or offer them as a premium service to clients. 9. Build a community. Create a platform where Confluence users can connect, share tips, and discuss best practices. Monetize the community through membership fees, sponsorships, or advertising. 10. Collaborate with other professionals. Partner with experts in related fields, such as web design or digital marketing, to offer comprehensive services that combine Confluence with other tools and platforms. Remember to continuously update your skills, stay informed about the latest Confluence updates, and network with other professionals in the industry to ensure your success in making money online with Confluence.